tie mame hyase na ye mo enkomo e wo ha se wo hye daily guide abokata ye nim ha se ya ye wrajakpa ya waje atum se ambulances no vans na edi kan ba ye no na enye fit for purpose na che se de edi kan ba ye no sa aduasa na e ba ye no enye de obeka se na wo de kɔ na dia kodi dwuma se ambulance ne mom na ho niema bia na aka no na wo so mo krasan so de ba enti de edi kan ne ba na wo sa ba ne pa ba bi no woyi no odigu na akire de ba mo de akyeshem na yehunu sa ba ye complete ambulance no ene de mo kyese jakpa agie tum ese de edi kan ba no na eno no enya ambulance but jakpa ya so kyese sa so pa ambulance ne se je wo be kɔ no na ye nya ambulance ni so se ye ambulance so nti kɔ ne kɔ fa ne fa kɔ o man mo kɔ di dwuma wase enye sa ena etie daily guide ebo eho amane e wo ha eno edan chenso mo chese NDC amanyoko no emra sebejafo bi chese enya de omo ebeginam wo mo beka ho na vetting bi e wo se ekoso no akoso enti omo ensam no eda ha sei enti drom kuma fam no ye wo mra sebejafie ya omo e wo appointment committee no so no na enra wo mo yi wo mo ho free vetting na ekoso ye deputy minister designate for trade and industry Kofi Ahenkra mafo omo chese onya de omo beka ho bie amasa dwumade no akosom ansampo na enra eba besiesa no na dom kuma ne ba no de ne Dr. Kisato Forson de ne sashen krata se ya wo chese dom kuma ne be yom ho fi omo be boykote wo mo fo mo ho nsem eno ho asam eda ha na esanso obama na se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebe se ye manta makomako enum ento abo ase na oni omafo no akokasa na omo echese obehase ewo atifido mantemu enum na wo honom no eho na o hyase na wabonto afamua na ode ne nanamu aba bepiem wo ase ha sei ya no so so chese oni emabu no ene party ma ye wase honom ni nyina kan bia wo mufu ba manyosemu o nyina so betumi aboa ama enkunimdi a ope no ayeyie no woni safo ni nyina ebedi enkomo na hyehye ayedwuma butatiti no ene sesa entobo no ebeboa na oni Ghana for dinkita ho ati wo mo ehaw ene wom esusu ye de omo ehwese eno eba mu ebeboa eno ne de Dr. Bawumia ekọ akoye ya focus no ene se ewo so obia ebeka ho bie na ede oman no ekọ nanim ede oman no ejina ye nti delegate amane bo a ebo anopai ena mabbo so ama ewo ha no na EC ena omo ehwese wasanso bie transfer vote no akwanya no biem eti bambofo ene asukufo akwanya na beda ho ede amamo ewo ha sesi
ma menkwa ahoma no so na Abena Isaac Wilberforce Mensa, Deputy Spokesperson at the Attorney General's Office. No, and Chichen and Como. Wilberforce, what's the name?
We have been on Pacha Metonka.
I want to Metonka, Sabia Bocodier.
Yes, sir, Dominia.
Okay, inti, the court proceedings in which cross examination, Munia, and I was real cross examination, not me.
Absolutely, of Mr. Jakpa.
Okay.
On only cross examination, you will enter Dwaso. Now, I say in some course no. Sometimes me monitor media na I say Ghana full binumen shada and tia se papa. It's near course ne say, and I say Ghana full even say Mr. Jakpa I don't know if Ghanaians are aware. Say Mr. Jakpa or no kwa a pocket about 700,000 euros. Taxpayers' money. Ghanaians are aware now because about Nasa of the Casa Senia on the Onyeshe na ya attacking and sometimes and I say it be a sebe me nyonko bebo bra Miami on about no the man narration of asemesi or quarter. Sometimes now I me wonder say to court will be now because 700,000 euros of taxpayers' money. And no Attorney General can say, wait dear, because that 700,000 euros represented 28.7% of the entire amount. The entire amount is 2.39 million euros.
Yes.
In respect of ambulances, so far, she. Inti, a same campaign beside Japan no agent keko. Now the agent now the troop 700,000 euros, which is almost 30%. And the principal no out of sales can also no profit bear he. Into young fans even roughly, rough mathematics. The principal no po young fans say or twice what agent niya. That should be about 60%. Now 60%, no, the cast are 28%, now almost 90%. In terms of the cost of ambulances, now Kasano, what was supposed to be the cost of the ambulance? Is it just about 10%? That Ghanaians have to pay about 90% extra for 2.39 million euros. And only a sema year can work out, so me shame hunia a course or a work out. Now, a course work out, and yet Attorney General Mr. Honorable Godfrey Adame versus Mr. Jakpa. That's not what the matter is about. The matter is about taxpayers' money. Attorney General will buy from international arbitration, any local cases, judgment that we say via Magana be these are the sort of things that he does. We be saying now, oh yeah, or the Boagana. In some course, we work out, you should be to say, and I say, I work out. You say, ambulances, about 2014. Mr. Zakasi de Bita, I'm not 2014, about 2015. Yeah, I'll say about 2015. Can a man document from former health minister at the time, Alex Segbefia. And Alex Segbefia letter no, or try December 2014 ambulances she buy. Richard Akpasi Debbie, Nya Segbefia actually a mistake. If there are no need Nyoka into a mistake. And a man another letter from Nkofona Kasom supply ambulances no Big C. Same Pacho can letter we mark court phone here. Big C who bought the same date. Now the first batch of ambulances no. About December 2014, the same date Alex Secretary a boy. I say, Oma said a sheway, oh soja, Anna a sheway. Now the reason date is important, ne say. Sa 2014 year ambulances, he said be about Ghana. Now company Naka said the ambulances ne buy, they did not even have the ISO certification. Yeah, will be a friend. ISO, International Organization for Standardization.
Yeah.
In Chomna, bet how it yaka say, be inspector facilities, ne operations, no maka say, okay, you are certified to convert regular vehicles into ambulances. Now, ISO certification, on 19th April 2015. Into which I say, 2011, the Japan agency contract, there was no not company Nippon ISO certification. 2012 parliamentary approval, no ISO certification. All these things that went on between 2011 and 2014, our first batch of ambulances by na company put any ISO certification.
Listening to Oran Jakpa after the court proceedings, I say, per the deal, no, not cars, no, beba empty vans and beba, and then the fittings. Near my best share woman and also is it out of place per near Ecoso Court?
Exhibit via the contractor.
Yeah.
A nimu baby, say cars bebansa, the parts of the decision. In fact, on Ankasapu can say cars na LC Bananko say 309 311 buy. I mean version of the vehicles nearby and say 311 nearby.
Yeah.
Is it possible say parts people on the buy, it cannot fit into this particular class on the buy because that wasn't the originally agreed. And mind you, sir, even Exhibit V, IR contract, was never approved by Parliament. Big C was never approved by Parliament. Big C never received cabinet approval. All this approval was never with Big C. So that's what this case is about.
Okay,
Big C, I mean, all these questions.
700,000 euro, no? Was it for agency work, as Mr. Jakpa is making us understand?
Sanoka say for agency work. But OSHA contract now. OSHA contract now.
Yes.
Ono Jakpa it's entitled to 10%
of the 700,000.
No. Of the entire amount. Of the amount that Ghana government Big CBA or Japan Kwanda pocket 10%. Now amount or the bet to Subiano. And no on extra profit. According to another testimonial at the last 2 hearings, amount or not bet to Subia into no Japan all posing and what pretending presenting the home. I mean, you see the word pretend because the matter is still in court. Or not presenting and what to say, me dogana and me yesi, or not the about check here because if the contract is saying 10%, not say that anything extra is on it now, then the almost 20% now or the car hono, I have taxpayers never be traces it's unknown that we determine Ghana for. So all these things are things that we all need to consider. 700,000. So he's not getting 10%. He has that 700,000 has been paid to him, Mr. Japa. And this is taxpayers' money. These are serious issues. These are very serious issues.
But when she said, Okase, owing to Abena, maybe Abena Yenti, Big C has rather incurred huge losses. Big C Mom Aboka. Where do we play?
How is this possible? Big C for Ampu out and make us on Maboka. Well, ye agents now about the cast of Maboka. About and make us on Maboka. Who are almost 30% of the agreement. Who win 30% of the agreement. Big CD Puyankai, you better cross examination soon. Anna, anything I tell you now, this catcher and say, put it to him, say, between only Big C, maybe then 50% class. Between only Big C and Kwan. So the thing is that, or what we are trying to put out is that, say, ambulances nan kasano, nani boy ahe. And I say, well, the ambulances, because of amount, these individuals, Big C, near or no Japano, or more pocketing profits, it is possible, say, Sikana Kano, not extra so much, say, ambulances, papa, and mass system, because there's no room for conversion in the contract. And as our contract is, so it was not even approved by Parliament, it was not approved by Cabinet, and as our issues now have come out in court. And the cross examination of Mr. Japa. It is our issues normal bouts, normal back canasi, and I'm destroy Attorney General, and I'm need questions on my answer. And same way now, has it not been reviewed? Has it not been reviewed? Say, on the 700,000. Has it not been reviewed that the Big C, they did not even have ISO certification to do these ambulances for Ghana? At the time you were chasing these contracts, at the time you cabinet got approval, even at the time the ambulances came to Mother Ghana. Mother Ghana, they say service substandard, because after 2014, the company was not even certified. April 2015, nominal certification, somebody converted vehicles into ambulances. Even if a case said they were supposed to convert these vehicles into ambulances, were they certified to do that under ISO standards? The answer is no. And then the agency say, because if they are not certified to do that, now said the Japan Ghana mapa what's not Ghana serving military claims say country. Now say a company is not certified to do this for your country. They don't have the ISO standardized or the ISO certification to do this. Only need that quality assurance certification from ISO to do this. Now the ambulances here vacancy. Now just a Ghana 2.39 million euros. Now one can say pocket 700,000 euros into your pocket out of this arrangement when the company was not even certified to do this for your beloved country. Is that where we are going? Is that the love we are showing to our country? That's Attorney General is going after this case. Yes, we in Paboni. Step down. Judge, our advice will say recuse yourself. And he's saying, is that where we are going as a country? That Attorney General is very committed. This is not the first time he has directly or indirectly saved Ghana some money, and he's focused on doing that. He's very determined, and I think we all need to give him a pat on the back for his consistency.
Okay, but how relevant? What was the impact? Includes Robin and a Big C for one more cross examination and interrogation. Abena Opokua Ahweneɛ Wilberforce.
Okay, so you're making a case.
Yeah.
Yes, submission of no case. No judge say, and Attorney General and prosecution in making strong case against you. I also want to. In the Big C, near witness headed by more witness or more a defense witness. In the Big C, Becano. Your question did that. Now, the question may be Ebeka, depending on your man, Casson Becano. Into the Big C, into your man, I also do something. How relevant is Big C to your case? You close your case. Into Namomo de Bano. Now you do of your Becano. Now you to room. Attorney General, very, very experienced prosecutors. They know what they are about. And so more questions put it out. Now, Sababe Kaka Hono, you don't want to crew. I'm a say no. If you are no crane, I'll be there and I'm going to put I'll be there at the end of the day. The judge will be decided.
Okay,
I must say about this judge, some media houses will put up certain stories, the ambulance judge and 4 others elevated. And fast same way, but so says some reportage. And
come about one and then commonly in Ababi, Wilberforce now the Abbey. How do you find our appointment? And I say, man can say promotion, especially when this case is still ongoing. Wilberforce.
The main, what lawyer be any lawyer, in fact, many lawyer bakupo any nkoma waka say judge radio and judge papa. The last time, even the NDC's old Rashid Pelpo, the last time about court, he was like, judge radio. I admire this. Which my friend, Honorable Rashid Pelpo, I was sitting with him and we're having a discussion. And I was judge radio. I admire this judge. Hey, Justice, if you say, you can't, if you are talking about, let's say, top 5, top 10, top 1 judges in fact, in Africa, you cannot mention without Justice Ifiasewa. In the you can't say case in favor of prosecution and in favor of defense. Whatever Justice Ifiasewa will decide on, we will abide by. If it's necessary to appeal, we'll appeal. If it's not necessary, we'll just leave it because she's a fantastic judge. And to say, I think very mischievous. I think it's very mischievous. Rebecca said, ambulance child judge and 4 others. She's a fantastic judge. And I think it's very, very appropriate to, because as a sitting judge, no matter what, there's always a case before you. You're from and then to the bench, that case is not started. So in the end, a case and I say, while this case is going on, then I hear promoting. No. She is befitting of the Supreme Court bench. And not that's my personal opinion. And I don't call 100 lawyers, they will all say the same thing.
Okay. Wilberforce, my men now say you found common here. Why?
Thank you very much.
That's Papa Isaac Wilberforce Mensa, deputy spokesperson at the Attorney General's office. Any no atwetwe and komono. Abla?
Your friend saying?
My friend saying.
Abena.
I'm friend saying.
Opokua.
My friend saying.
Ahweneɛ.
My friend saying.
What's abla? Ada abla na ya banana.
Debbie.
Me come anyway. Na CJ, unse na me bo amane efa electoral commission ni so ma bie reopening special voting no so so mama yakwanya ho na o de ma me nkɔ ho na me nkan ma atiefo nti 25 public universities nso a ɛwɔ man yi mu no so no ɔmo de akwanya ne kɔ ho ma obetumi akɔ transfer vote san so na eneduafie prisons nso no ho so mo de be kɔ akɔye registration na ensam 12 de nyame ya doma me da ɛbɛyɛ ye kita wo sabo so me ni de to so ensia e de kosi ne kwasi ada oh nti je se memenda ne kwasi da pe because 1 week o asebo
into a pa ho a
je se ene o se memenda na kwasi da metimi kokoko na me ko register special voting no o say that
yeah
hey and no ho asameda ha say ya da bokata ya bomu amane na sije ma me fa nko Republic Press me ba ha no ho me ba katafa to so me ensa se ne sije asem bi da ha ye nyina ye hwehwe ye ma me bi unim se ya so kotema West NDC omo women NDC women's organizer no sije yes wa free since June 12 and na 3rd July ma me ne maye the phone so adum omo hu na kira kwan omo nim ba bi okoye omo ahwehwe na abusuafo so omo frefre ne ade nyina no omo afre omo hu no enti se no abusuafo ahwehwe omo nua ba yi abusuafo ahwehwe no omo so wo party mu de abusua ne hwehwe no omo so makobo police fo amane na police fo ama omo search warrant ene we kra den omo ma omo enkrata ya ene no omo de bi abansam twofo enchen ya ye bo amane na se ye mami wote yenka mesrew mesrɛ pa wabusuafo ehwehwe wo wabusuafo hwehwe wo pa nti bomodian na brafie na wo ho nso amom nte wonka because mobile phone ya ye be fresi so a ye de behunu wi ena mobile phone yi adum yi nti se no wo hunu kwan kokora wo efa so a wo ehunu ba bi owo na eno ena da bokrata yi echese Paul Anamde wono ena ye Paulina mami ye friend Paulina Lamisi wono na sese wayire ya ye hwehwe no na ne nua bema na echese police for de no omo ye nsa de omo ka no na eno achi no omo beko telecommunication network na ho na ne nua no eja ekita mo sem no na omo nyoma kodi nkobo ne bia ne conversation bia ekọ so ansa na sese wode ayire no omo saka sa conversation no na omo hunu de wo so omo ye achi nti da bokata yi ebomu amane na seje oba Ghana ha se ya omo ye plastic ho niema Ghana Plastic Manufacturers Association and na womo HSE womo ebeye protest oyekire edietia omampani akufuado ene na aban no se eto 5% sa excise tax na womo di aba no womo chese begu omdwuma ebe ma adwuma na cost na ekrompo na no maye no chese production cost e wo so na ebesan abeka ho ebe ha adwene na eno da nchen so asije anti adwoa eye ketra yo Ghana school feeding program nim na wode atodwa sese no womo bre pa womo ebre sika na womo ensa kan wo so mo de yaduane no womo chese sika ni so na sa sika kro ya so no bekwa kwa wiachi no na ya san tete sika ni mu na je saka fia bi ne kita wo adwuma wo ye nyina na ekwa koboka eno na anti adwoa e ka ho asem dendenden e wo hase ya wodi emu amane aba e wo Republic Press a makenkan bi ama wo no Mame fawo enko de custodian de wokrata na yewra kojo ponkroma enfoni edaha waje ne chichi na asema woka nyina no ene se ensuyire ya etete omanfo ha dwene se ya nra wo hwe nra na dwuya ne ahomachi yenso a atoyi a mene weka se obedru ba bia ho ayiri nso ayira fa wom ne nyina no kwan yan kasa ye fa so ye tena nkran ha sei na amana ba nsa na eno na yewra kojo ponkroma so mo de hyehyɛ gwa kwan so ya ensure no mo behwe na o maso ano na afenso no adanse hu sinto a ewo mu ne nyina no so no o mahwa aka na gama nche ene asoafo binom na edi ani mu dendenden na homo clean up exercise no koso nti wo hwa gama nche eda king takite kochu yotusum yenu na Greater Accra Regional Minister ni kwate Titus Glover wono aso eda emfoni eda ha no ma omunyina so nose mask asije wo mu yi gatam prepra form inteno ene adwumaden a empejefo ebonto wo shop okrom na wo area ho na yedura ento shop ni na enna fie na enka so beba ne ya prawie wan so beboa bia eye gata na wo shop nanim na yeyi mu no eyi mama wankasa yeyi mama eye empotemofo nyina nti ye nyina yemfa ye hu hyemu bi wo ba no wabeboa ye wi na wabie wo store fefefe why mumra na mumeboa na ni nyina no enkwa kama the custodian of bokrata enim enonom na CJ Medewo ba the inquisitor da bokrata mu a yewra oseche mensa bonsu edaha no no so da wode stampa timuso da bokrata yi chese wa okay Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene na po combination no wo chese combination we no solid the winning team ejina yie a chese eno ene akandifo so say on betumi break 8 no ediama MPP nti yewra oseche mensa bonsu so amemra se bedwani kane dom kase ba no dani ena edini stampa timuso mpanyifo wo enkosa na edanchen so a da bokata enim ha yanso so no ebo amane IGP kwakonsa tape na hwehwemu ekoso no wo echese extrajudicial killings bi apiepie wom ya eno no emra bia ama kwan sentu anasa na montuo no enkoso na eno na ebimo so ede chese wo mani bre nyina akosoe committee chairman no so yewra tatia ntu hwe wra James Agaga mfoni edaha wo kodom kuma ba efa ho no ne kasa eba ne bambo nsemu a Dr. George Akufu Dampare IGP ena yewra Samuel Atachia wono so emfoni eda the inquisitor asama wode eba ye ho gamanche aswafo binom ene dodo no atese monteso prapra enkran kromu no wono so ho asem woda bokata yi anim seje de mede wiama the new finder da bokata omampani Akufu ado ena echese enioma enan ena eye adekese a ɛwɔ sɛ amaman ne wiase nyinaa ɛde wɔn ani eku ho sɛdeɛ ɛbɛboa na ɛyɛ sustainable development goals no yɛtumi areche anase yɛtumi aduru ho na ɛno no ɔkasa de fa climate change ho ɛne ne sunsuanso ɛde aba covid-19 ne sunsuanso ɛde aba wɔso hwɛ climate change ne krompo na ɛne ɛpo yira na yira na ɛpo yiri ɛno ɛda nkyɛn so a ɔhyewa aba krom ɔhyewa aba wiem ne nyina ɛyɛ climate change wiem sakraya na emfie bi atwam no na entisa ne nyina na ɔmampania kasa de afa ho ɔde ato abibre makandifo ne wiase nyina kandifo nim ɛsɛ adwuma no so ntomo nyina ɛmfa kroye na resources sika bibi obia wo bia no ɔmo nyina ɛmfa nhyem na sa adwuma no ɔmo enye sije da bɔkrata yi emu amane ya wɔde aba ɛna mabɔ bubi so ma close agefo so strike ɔmo kile no ɛno so da bɔkrata yi ɛka ɛho asɛm ɛwɔ the new finder anim ha ti de aba ne ɛna mabɔ so ama no
wɔyɛ
CJ ti medase
wɔyɛ